said close na yung case, what really happened sa case na yun?
So, sige, i-run down natin from the top. So yun nga, nag-comment siya, and then nung nung nag-push sa akin yung nag-advise yung legal counsel ko to take action on it, pinahanap nila. Kasi fake account siya. Although, hindi siya fake account. Ano siya, kumbaga parang it's the account of the actual person. May profile photo siya, although malayo. It's the same name, pero walang laman yung account. Or naka-private, something like that. So, pinahanap talaga siya. And then, nung nahanap na siya, that's when we served like legal documents na, and then eventually, back in, kailan ba ako nag-Siargao? March. So I think around, May pala. So I think around April, end of April before flying to Siargao. That's the time when I actually met the person. So, obviously, even if you look at it in different ways, parang hindi talaga kasi okay yung sinabi niya. So, he was obviously given a sentence, and of course rehabilitation as well. He was going to go through mga seminars for gender sensitivity and all of that. So I think yun lang. For me, it's really just, I wanted to at least let people know that, that you can't just say those things on social media, and there's no way for you to not be traced. Yeah, there's always a way to find you. And yun lang, parang I really wanted to push for, social media to be a safe space for everyone.
May remorse ba siya, Nadine? Nag-apologize ba siya?
Meron, nag-apologize siya. But I think, during that time kasi, grabe kasi yung comment niya. As in, grabe. A lot of people really told me na na-trigger sila. And, people who were actually victims, na parang, they were emotional about it. So, I really felt like I had to do something about it.
Sorry, thank you for sharing your thoughts about that, Nadine. And sorry for asking that. No? It's
okay.
It's a good platform.
I wanted to be, as much as possible, I wanted to be sensitive about it because it is a sensitive topic. But unfortunately, this is something that we wanted to bring to light just because social media is kind of like a war zone right now. Tapos people can just say the harshest things and even, parang harm eh. Like people can use words to harm a person.
Ikaw personally, Nads, na-forgive mo siya, pinatawad mo?
I honestly didn't think any of it nung time na yun. Because I would say that I'm already used to the harshest things that, harshest words that people can throw at me. Sanay na ako eh, pero nung nakabasa talaga ako ng messages from different people reaching out to me, that's really when, parang dun ko na-realize na, I shouldn't let this pass. Something needs to be done about this. And, and hoping that this is a start of making, I guess, parang I wouldn't say naman this is the start of social media changing, and making it a better place, but at least for people who are so used to like doing this or saying bad things about other people or, bashing other people or saying harsh words or, wanting harm to other people, at least for them to know that they're not safe.
Thank you, Nadine. And sorry for asking that,
okay,
but
okay.
thank you for sharing your voice and your thoughts about it. Thank you so much, Nadine.
There we go.